Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and today I will answer a question in the Canva design community Facebook group, how to create this design. So I will focus on this text. Go to Canva and then go to custom size. You can type your size, but I will choose this Instagram size. Create new design. Now let's make the text frame. First I will type here G, and then I will change the typeface to the similar that I think is leaks important, and then I will increase the size, and then I will duplicate and change it to O, duplicate again, then I will place it here and duplicate and change it to D, and I will place it here. Now I will select them all and place it in the center, and then I will add a circle. I'll place it here, and then I will add a cross, reduce the size, and place it here. And then I will add a text Friday. I will change the typeface to leaks important. I will increase the letter spacing. Go to effect to make it curve. Increase the size. Okay, I think it's enough. And then I will go to element and add a square and increase the size to cover all this element. I will go to position, layers, move this square to the back, to the bottom, change this circle to white, and all the text change to white, and also the cross, change it to white. I will select them all and reduce the size. So you can see here that the white color is dominant, and then download it as PNG. Now I will add a new page in other color, and then upload the PNG of page 1 here. I will use BG remover to remove all white color. Okay, it's done. And then let's add the red background. For example, I will choose this one. And then resize it, crop it, send to back. And then I will add some lens flare like this one. I will reduce the size, place it here and rotate, increase a little. And then I will add this lens flare. I will reduce the size, place it here, and rotate. I will crop it. Alright, and then I will add this element, pink sparkle light. Reduce the size. I will place it here. Duplicate. I will place it here. And then go to position, layers, and move the frame to the top. Okay, now I will crop it. So select this frame and go to edit. I will change the color of this frame to the color that doesn't exist on all this design. So I will go to dual tone, custom, and change the highlight to this blue. Okay, and then click on the page background, click the color button, and then click the plus button, click this pick a color, and click here on the blue. So the page color now has the same color like the frame. Now download this page too as PNG, and then add a new page in white color. Upload the PNG of page 2 here, and then choose BG remover to remove all the blue color, and then increase the size. But first I will crop it, and then go to edit, choose dual tone, choose custom, change the shadow to this gray, and then duplicate it, and then click none. Okay, and then I will move it here. All right. Now select them both and then group them. I will increase the size and I will paste it here. And then you can add the burger or your product, like add the sample. For example, this burger here, and then add logo here, add a here with a cross here, and then add the red rectangle here, add a coming soon sign here, add a text here, and then add the address here. So I think it's enough. I hope it helps you. See you next video and have fun with Canva.